Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, you guys really even come to my channel because I have like 2 subscribers. And I never upload, but hey, I'm currently uploading one right now and filming. But the video that I'm uploading, I filmed. Hey, it's successful. I filmed it like 6 months ago in the summer. Good job, Bozy. So anyways, you know it. So I want to do a Christmas look because we're taking my daughter to go see Santa today. It might be a little bold, but I don't care because I don't get to do my makeup often enough. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, so I already primed my eyelids with the P. Louise base. Let's zoom you in a little bit. And first thing I'm going to do, take Not a Fact. And so I'm using the Sigma E24. It's still a small blending brush, perfect for that outer V, especially on someone with small hooded eyes like me, but it's more dense, so it can pack on the color better. Now, I recently got Botox, so I literally, like, I can't lift my eyelid like I used to be able to, and since I have hooded eyes, see that? So I have to, like, tilt my head up and look down at my mirror so that I can get in there. You'll notice, like, if you watch my previous videos, especially my most recent one, that I have really bad creases. Let's take the Morphe 506, another small little blending brush, and I'm gonna take Canceled from the Mini Controversy palette, and I'm gonna put that on my inner half of my eye. Same thing, I'm gonna look up. Now I like to start kind of like right in my crease. I don't have like a ton of lid space. And kind of slowly push it up so that I don't blow out my shadow too far and then I'm up in my brow. So I really gotta work slow. And so now I'm just kind of taking little circular motions where these two meet. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back to, this is a Morphe 507. This one's like the 506, but it's more tapered. I'm gonna take Flaming Hot, the red shade, and I'm gonna put it at the very edge. Then I'm gonna go in circular motions, basically pushing it up and over. So it simultaneously blends out. Not a fact. This is also really great when you have small hooded eyes like me. You don't have a lot of lid space. So I'm going to take another 507. I have like 4 of these because I love it. And I'm going to go into Flat Earth and blend out Canceled. I'm going to go back in with Canceled to deepen that up again since I lost some of the color. So just adding a little bit at a time. I think I want this to be a little bit deeper. So I'm going to go in with the Simulation. Yes, it's a shimmer. So now I'm using a shader crease E47. This is a Sigma brush, and I am just going to deepen up the blue. And then we'll come back to the outer half of my lid. Yes, Morphe 514. So I'm going to take my Pills, which is the very, very, very light shade in the Conspiracy palette. This one right there, to blend out Flaming Hot. And with this, I'm going to do like NECA Tutorials. and start out by scratching at the edges very, very lightly. And then we'll take it in some circular motions. Buff that out. So I'm just doing circular motions all along the edge. And as you can see, blended. Straight. All right, back in with Not a Fact. Okay, so I put some of my P. Louise base on the back of my hand, and I'm using my Anastasia A18 brush. And I like to put it on just the tip. No big deal, just my psoriasis flaking in my head. I'm literally like the driest person you'll ever meet. Okay, so anyways, let's cut this crease. And I'll show you my tips too, how to get that like perfectly sharp line. Step one is using a really flat brush. I like the bigger one so I can just stamp it on. I used to use the smaller one, that works too, but I find this to be easier. I can do less steps sometimes if I'm really careful. So I'm gonna hold my breath and be silent during this part. I will probably speed it up. Okay, so there is step one. Now, as you can see, it's not like a perfectly straight line. So now I'm going to take a liner brush. You can use a smaller one. So once again, watch me hold my breath. And I rest this on my face. Okay, so next, I will take a little brush like this, little angled brush. So anyway, so I'm gonna go into the simulation. I'm just gonna go right along this. If you happen to get concealer where it's not supposed to be too, this is a great trick. But I'm just using this to define it and make it darker. You guys probably can't see that, huh? And that is how I get a sharp line. Okay, so these are both from Divina Cosmetics. This blue one is called Nerd. And the reddish purple one is Magellanic. I like to buy these off of Amazon. You can get like a bazillion pack for less than $10. And you just have to pat it on. You don't have to wet it, nothing. It's just very simple. Okay, now I'm going to flip it, use the other end and go with, what is it, Magellanic. These are stunning. These are super metallic. Now I'm going to take Not a Fact and pat that on the outer corner. Kind of swipe it in a little bit just to blend that. And then I'm going to take this Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I am going to dip into these pigments, starting with the blue. Now I'm going to take the same brush, make sure the other side is clean to get all the way at the top of the shade. Now I'm going to do the other eye, catch it up to here, and then I'll be back. So I'm going to start off with the Anastasia liquid liner and line my lash line because I'll definitely be doing lashes. Okay, so I'm not going to do black. I mean, I'm not going to do a wing, but I am going to take some black shadow and kind of blend it into it. Okay, so I am going to take my rods here. We all know the black shade from the Conspiracy palette. And I am going to just start patting it at an angle, making it thicker towards my outer V to get that blend so you can't really see where the liner starts and the shadow ends. So I am going to put some lashes on and do my face, and I will come back for the lower lash line. So this is what we got going on so far for the face. And I did take Ranch for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. And now, what am I going to do? Okay, so I'm going to take Not a Fact for the outer under eyes. Okay, and Flaming Hot. So I'm taking my pills now. Okay, so now let's go in with the Simulation, and I love taking glitter and or shimmer metallic shades right up front. Okay, so I'm going to take, this is Keep On Sapphire by Milani, and then Alkaline, the 24/7 Urban Decay Glide On Liners. And I'm going to do just out here. And then we're going to take Milani, the blue one, do the inner part. I think this entire video I've looked at my viewfinder and not you. Awesome job, Leslie. So I really apologize. I am terrible at that. And I just totally forgot for some reason during this video. Probably because I haven't filmed in 6 months and it just now hit me for some stupid reason. Okay, now I set my waterline because it just stays a lot longer if I do. So I'm just going to take a little shader brush and go into Not a Fact and literally just set it. All right, now I'm going to go in with the Simulation, and all right, next I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to go in with Mermaids, which is a peaches and cream pigment, because let me just show you this beautiful color. God, we got some fallout. So you gotta be really careful just to add a little bit at a time. Okay, so this is the final look for my lips. I went in with ColourPop X I Love Sarah E's 951. It is literally my favorite. I have one in my purse and one here. Oh, and for the rest of it, I went in with So Juicy in Roundabout. Another ColourPop, one of the plumping glosses. But I also like doing the liquid shadows because those are so easy when I want to add some glitter. And if you heard that, my daughter screaming and crying, that is my cue to go. But I mean, what would a Leslie video be without her daughter crying in the background or her dogs acting crazy, you know? I got nothing else. Please subscribe. Let's see how long this takes me to get up. Okay, so today is November the 23rd. It's Thanksgiving this week. So, Leslie, you have no excuse not to get this up by Thanksgiving. All right. Bye, guys. Don't forget to check out my Instagram to see the stunning glitter and metallic shades in this look. Bye, guys. I was trying to say, look at my cute dogs, and you guys just ran away. Look at my pretty girls. Look at my pretty girls. My pretty girls. My pretty girls. Yeah, this is Khaleesi. Yes, from Game of Thrones. Thanks. Come here, Binksy girl. And yes, this is, hey, that was rude. So her name, she's named after Hocus Pocus, the cat, you know? Like Zachariah or whatever. Okay.